Alright, what's going on? Been a while since I posted. And for those that don't know yet, this is the new bike. The CBR1000 Fireblade. Looking pretty schmicko. Just getting the GoPro all sorted out now. That's the old Gladius. If you've seen any of my previous videos, the old girl parked up. Well, that's actually newer than this one anyway, but that's neither here nor there. So yeah, just trying to get the GoPro sorted out now. So obviously, if you've seen my last videos, I like the rear facing cameras. I've got two different spots to try out, hopefully tomorrow. It's been raining, but we'll see how we go. Just giving her a wipe over and a check up now while I put the GoPro on. And so I'll still be sorting out the teething issues for the GoPro, but we'll see how we go. God, just fucking love this bike anyway. But yeah, and anyway, I'll give you a quick start up for those that haven't heard it yet. But give us some ideas if you want, guys. I need ideas of where to put cameras. I am sorting out a new chin mount. I've got a new helmet since the last videos, so I've got to sort out a new chin mount for the new helmet and get the mic all sorted. But anyway, I'll give you a quick start up. Is she in fucking, yeah, she's in neutral, thank fuck. Fuck, she sounds mean. So hopefully that comes through on the fucking cameras. Like I said, I'm going to be sorting out the teething issues, but anyway, let's see how we go.